Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. This is the last video in our tutorial series where we are designing a complete homepage using Elementor. Now we have completed the design of our homepage for desktop devices. Now let's make sure that it is responsive, which means that it should work well on mobile devices as well. So let's go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor. Now if you go down over here and click on this responsive mode button, we can see we have three options over here, one for desktop, one for tablet and one for mobile. Now we'll select each of these options and update our website accordingly. So let's get started. Now Elementor makes a lot of things responsive automatically. So first of all, let's select the tablet option. This is how our website will look on a tablet. So right away we can see that we have a lot of left padding on these elements over here. So first of all, let's select this column and click on Edit Column. Now if you notice this, we have a new icon over here called Tablet. So whatever changes we make over here will only affect the tablet mode. So let's go to Advanced and let's remove the padding that we had given for this column. So let's click on this icon. And we can see now the padding is 0. Now let's apply a little bit of padding to all the sides. So let's click on Link Values Together and we'll increase the padding to 4 pixels. And then what we'll do is we will text align these elements to the center. So let's click and edit heading and then click on center on the alignment. Let's do the same with this text. So edit text editor. And for this you have to go to Style and then click on Center on Alignment and then select this button and click on Edit button and then select Center over here as well. So this is the view of our hero section for our tablet mode. Now let's scroll down and see how the other sections are displayed. This is the Our Services section and let's decrease the font size of this heading. So edit heading and then go to Style and then go to Typography and we'll decrease the font size to 48 pixels. Now let's decrease the font size of this paragraph as well. So for this you have to go to Style and then go to Content and then inside description you have to go to Typography and here you have to select the size. So let's select a size of 16 pixels. Now let's copy these styles and apply to all these three icon boxes. So right click over here and click on Copy and then right click over here and then click on Paste Style. We'll do the same with these two icon boxes as well. Alright, we are done with the Our Services section. Now let's copy this heading styles from here. So right click over here and click on Copy and then we'll go to the next section and we'll copy the heading styles over here, and these two elements look alright, so we'll just leave them as it is. Now let's go to the next section and we'll just copy the styles of our heading over here, and these look alright, so we'll just leave them as it is as well. And then we have the footer over here, so the footer also looks fine. So that's basically it with our tablet mode. Now let's go over here and select desktop, and here we can see in desktop we have this padding, and when we go to the tablet mode we don't have any padding over here, and we have separate styles for desktop and tablet. Now the last thing we'll do is go to mobile and design our website accordingly. Now the first thing we'll do is decrease the font size of our heading. So right click over here and edit heading, go to Style and click on Typography and set the font size. So we'll set it to 40 pixels and we'll also decrease the line height of our paragraph. So right click over here and click on Edit and then go to Typography and decrease the line height over here. So we'll set it to 1.2. Now let's select this button and we'll change it to small. Now we have to select this section and increase the height. But if we right click over here, we can see it says edit column. We don't have the option of editing the section. That is because here we can see that we have another section with the logo and the icons above this section. So we cannot select this section right here. So for that we have a tool in Elementor called Navigator. So right click over here and click on Navigator. And now here you can see all our sections and columns displayed over here. Now we can select any section or column from here. So let's select this section. And the fit to screen is not working on our mobile device. So let's select a minimum height. And we'll increase the height to says 500 pixels. Now let's give some bottom margin to this heading. So right click over here, edit heading, and then go to advanced and then click on this link values together button. And we can see the margin has been updated. Right click over here and we'll do the same with this. Now in this section we have the logo on the top, and then we have this icon at the bottom, but we want them to be displayed side by side. So let's select the column. So you can even select the column from here and then go to layout, and we have to set the column width to 50%, and we'll do the same with the other column. So select the other column and set a column width of 50%. And now here we can see our logo and our icons are side by side. Now I think we should increase the height of this section over here a little bit more. So select this section and we'll increase the height a little. Alright, now let's move on to the next section, which is our services section. And first of all, we need to decrease the font size of our heading. So go to typography and we'll set the font size to 36 pixels, and then we'll decrease the size of this heading as well. So this is an icon box, so we have to go to content and then go to typography in title. So let's decrease the font size to say 24 pixels. Alright, so now let's copy these styles from here. So right click and click on copy and paste these styles over here, and we'll do the same with all the other icon boxes. Now we'll just copy the style of our heading from here and we'll paste it to this heading over here. And we can even decrease the size of these counters. So we'll go to style and then under number we will select typography, and we'll just decrease the size and we'll set it to 72 pixels, and we'll just copy these styles and paste it over here. Alright, now we'll copy this heading style from here and paste it over here as well. And now here we have the testimonials. We'll just show one testimonial on our mobile design. So we'll hide the second testimonial. So if you delete this column from here, then it will be deleted from tablet and desktop as well. So for that you have to select this column and then you have to go to advanced, and then under responsive we have the option of hiding on different devices. So we'll just select hide on mobile, and now this testimonial won't be displayed on our mobile device. Now the last thing we need to do is update the footer. So we'll select this heading and we will align it to the center, and we'll also give a little bit of margin bottom. So go to advanced and increase the margin bottom. So now we also need to have margin bottom for this text editor. So right click and click on edit text editor and go to advanced, and sometimes when you click on this link values together button, the margin gets reset. So let's click on that, and we have this margin over here, And the last thing to do is center align these icons. So right click over here and edit social icons, and then under alignment set it to center. And that is basically it with our mobile design. We can lightly see this testimonial over here, but it won't be displayed on the original website. Alright, now let's select the tablet mode. And the minimum height seems to be applied on desktop and tablet as well. So let's fix it so that we have hero section with 100% height. So for that we will select VH, which is viewport height, and we'll set it to 100. And we'll do the same with mobile and desktop as well. Alright, so let's view the tablet design. And lastly, the desktop mode. Alright, so that's the end of our tutorial series where we had designed this complete homepage using Elementor. So if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below, and if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.